session on the opening day of the 4th National Open Under 23 Athletic Championships here at the Patliputra Sports Complex in Patna, Bihar, with 25 starters listed here for the 10,000 meters. It's going to be a long way for them, virtually close to 28 odd minutes. This is just the first lap after they started right in front of us, which is actually the 10,000 meters where which is the finish of the event. That's where they started. It's very simple. In the 10,000 meters, you divide it by 400 meters, and that's the number of laps that you have for yourself. We have an early leader, but it's early days, obviously. The main bunch will start segregating or separating from each other. Puneet Yadav of Haryana is taken that lead of about 4 or 5 meters. But I can assure you that the others will have different ideas when they go in virtually at the halfway stage. After about 7,000 odd meters, the main bunch will start separating. In fact, they start separating even much before. But on the far side, after finishing the home straight, Puneet Yadav, the Haryana boy, Haryana has got as many as 3 runners in this event. His lead now cut down. He's got someone close on his heels. How long will they be able to sustain? This is a question of time. We've got athletes from Rajasthan, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Manipur. Uttar Pradesh is represented very strongly out here. It's the same pattern. Here with the early lead, Puneet Yadav, and close on his heels, is Amol Amune of Maharashtra. Short, diminutive, the shorter of the two. This is a reminder, the opening day, the first event of the 4th National Open Under 23 Athletic Championships. We're coming to you live from the Patliputra Sports Complex in Patna. We've got a long way to go. So 22 to go from here on still. So that's a huge task in front of these 10,000 meters runners, the long distance. An event which has been dominated by the Africans, the Kenyans, the Moroccans, the Ethiopians. The lead now for Puneet Yadav of Haryana. He continues to maintain the same momentum of approximately 6 odd meters. Surely he's got a game plan up his sleeve there. Likewise, Amol Amune of Maharashtra, he's got someone more now wanting to catch up with him. Shailesh Kusawa of Uttar Pradesh, the third of them. So 1, 2, 3 with Puneet Yadav, Amol Amune, and the third of them, Shailesh Kusawa for Uttar Pradesh. Onto the back straight now at the far side. This event, the 10,000 meters for men being flagged off, or the starter's gun going off exactly at 5:45, even before the sun was out. In fact, the sun is still not out. The same pattern continues. Amol Amune perhaps wanting to take the slice of cake or a piece of it to start off with. I'm sure he's fairly keen to take that lead. Whether it's a momentary lead is the big question. Punit Yadav. So 20 laps to go still. That's about, that's 8,000 meters. Well, it's amazing. Punit Yadav, after 2,000 plus meters, in fact, now close to about 2,300 meters. Is he going to tire? The temperatures slightly better than what they are in the afternoon. Perhaps the rain which came down yesterday evening going into the night has cooled the temperatures. So Punit Yadav still on his own. It's a battle between him and himself. Amol Amune dropping back. So 19 to go. We've been going on for 9 minutes. The national record in the name of G. Singh set at San Juan Capistrano, 27 minutes 41.81. That was on the 16th of March 2024. Punit Yadav, who is in the lead, holds the meet record. 29 minutes 44.64 set in 2022. So he must have been about 20 odd years in 2022, 2024. This boy holds the meet record of 29 minutes 44.64 set at Bilaspur. The Lone Ranger, Punit Yadav, looks over his shoulders. He finds that there is a huge gap now building between him and number 2. Amol Amune having dropped back to the third position. 17 to go. That's what is the call there from the lap officials. Onto the back straight. Punit Yadav. You can't even see anyone on your picture frame there. That's the difference between him and number 2. We'll try and catch up with the number 2 man. These of course are the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8s. This man is certainly doing a wonderful job as of now. Must be fairly experienced. His record of 2022 still stands. Punit Yadav does a bit of adjustment there. Not many athletes like to do that because in the process you lose a few important seconds. Back straight again there. The lead now between him and Amol Amune close to about 75 meters. He continues to look at his clock. I'm sure he's got a game plan up his sleeve. The 10,000 meters, 17 for some of them. The same picture. We now have number 2 on the picture frame. Amol Amune has done a good job to continue to maintain that number 2 position. He was for a brief period dropping back. So we've got Ankit Deswal from Haryana in 3, but it's a close one between Amol Amune and Ankit Deswal. We'd seen Shailesh Kusawa pushing himself to number 2 for some time, but then he's now nowhere in the picture in the 10,000 meters. Coming into the home straight, the 100 meters. Now this is the picture I was talking about. Gyanendra Kumar Rawat of Uttar Pradesh being lapped once again. 15 laps is it to go for Puneet Yadav. 14 to go for the number 2 and 3, which is Amol Amune and Ankit Deswal. So obviously Puneet Yadav also has 14 to go. The aim, of course, in distance running is to cover, as we all know, a set distance in the fastest possible time. Just how fast depends on several factors, including the level of endurance and economical running action and a certain amount of willpower. And this boy, Puneet Yadav, certainly has all of it. This will be the first gold medal of the day, the men's 10,000 meters. A reminder that this boy on a picture frame holds the meet record of 29 minutes 44.64 seconds set at Bilaspur in 2022. And for those of you who are statistically inclined, the 10,000 meters, the Asian record in the name of Ryu Ok Won of Korea, 30 minutes 00.27. The world record, the Kenyans and the Ethiopians, Samuel Wanjiro, 26 minutes 41.75 at the Van Dam meet in 2005, and he holds it along with Binam Mehari of Ethiopia, 26 minutes 37.93 at Nirja, Spain in 2024. I keep on calling him. He's got 12 to go from here. 4,800 meters of the 10,000 meters now remaining for Puneet Yadav. We're now getting a battle there for number 2 and number 3. Earlier on we just had Amol Amune and Ankit Deswal, but There is a fourth boy who's closed in on them. But Puneet Yadav surely in his own zone. He's still got a fair distance. He will now come into the position just in front of the commentator's box where we are perched. And from there on he will have 4,400 meters. Cool, calculated. Nothing seems to bother him. 11 now from here for number 2, 3 and 4. Shubham Balian in the second. Amol Amune surely has a plan. He's been in second, then pushed himself to number 4. He's back to number 3, but it's absolutely close between 2, 3 and 4. And there is the favorite for sure, Puneet Yadav, about to lap once more. So he's lapped 810 Gyanendra Kumar Rawat for the second time. That's some amazing stuff from Puneet Yadav. So you got 4,000 meters, remaining 10 laps. 400 into 10 is simple mathematics. At the far side, once again he picks up a water bottle for the second time, cools himself. 27 degrees. Sure, this early morning must not be troubling him at all. Must have had an early night's sleep. Back here in the morning, warm up and then straight into the battle zone. There he is. He's got all the ingredients. He's got 9 to go now. Unless, of course, some of the others come up with something different. We have Shubham Balian with Amol Amune now falling back. Ankit Deswal of Haryana. And as I mentioned before, the factors which go into building a 10,000 meters runner, the highest possible level of endurance for the 10,000 meters makes by far the largest contribution to the performance. 25 starters, 5:45 in the early hours of the morning of a wonderful day. It's still dark. The sun rise a little later, around 7 o'clock. And that's the advantage that Puneet Yadav has had for himself. So most of the runners who've stuck to their guns have 8 laps to go. That makes it 3,200 meters. Puneet comes up here now. at the far side. Just doesn't seem to have any competition, Puneet Yadav. Onto the bend, comes into the home straight. He's had a different game plan altogether, Puneet Yadav. So 318, that's his bib number, 7 to go. And some of them have 8 to go. So just imagine, 400 meters separates Puneet Yadav and some of the other athletes. There, the back straight. I wonder whether anything is going to stop Puneet Yadav from winning the first medal of the day. Started off with the lead, maintained the lead, continues to maintain that lead. Remember someone like the diminutive Surinder Singh of the services, 5,000 and 10,000 meters. Go back to the big names in Indian athletics. Sriram Singh, Shivnath Singh, Edward Sequeira. He's now bunched with some of those who are, I would say, stragglers. 810 is being lapped for the third time. Gyanendra Kumar Rawat of Uttar Pradesh. The only way he comes into the picture frame is when he is lapped by Puneet Yadav. +25 minutes here. Not too sure. This is good camaraderie, exchanging the water. One of them, perhaps the leader of the pack at the back, and his compatriot and athlete says, I'm going to help you out. The major consideration in distance running, of course, is not the technique but the conditioning of the body to perform at peak efficiency, which Puneet Yadav has maintained all through. Five for Puneet Yadav. We're lucky to be right in front of the lap scorers, so that gives us the number of laps straight away. So when he just passed us, it was 5 laps to go, making it 2,000 meters. It's now short of 2,000 because it's at the back straight. In the meanwhile, the girls are getting ready to the far right of us. It will be the second event of the morning session, slated to start at 6:20 a.m. The women's 10,000 meters. But right now, all eyes on this boy, Puneet Yadav. What a race he's run. A race which I'm sure he will remember, we will remember. Nothing seems to be stopping him from taking the title of the long distance king, as one would call him. He's got 4 to go. 1,600 meters. Well, I'll tell you something, he's been an amazing man. Absolutely amazing. 1,600 meters or under 1,200 meters because he's at the back straight there. The title surely is his. This boy, the boy in the all brown. He will remember bib number 318. And if he has got 2 to go from here, the others have got 4 to go, which means that Punit Yadav has lapped them twice. He's got a lead of 800 meters over some of them. In fact, he's got a lead of over 1200 meters over some of them. Did mention about the conditioning of the body, which requires some understanding of how the energy systems of the human body function in order to decide. So it's Punit Yadav, 3 to go, 1200 meters. And the human body function in order to decide which endurance components are developed by using certain training methods. All of these have been employed by Punit Yadav, and he's put them into practice on a wonderful morning on day 1. Comes to the far bend, the 200 meters. He set out this morning with a clear plan, and that plan A, has surely worked for him. Now on to the home straight. The 10,000 meters, and he's now got exactly 800 meters, 2 laps to go from here. We can't even see who's the number 2 in the picture frame. I love the announcers, the lap announcers. Some of them use English, some of them use Hindi. Well, this is the beauty of our country, isn't it? Yes, that's the voice going loud and clear in Hindi with 2 laps to go. Look at this boy. We're talking of the 10,000 meters where human energy production can be divided into 3 complex systems. 2 of them are classified as anaerobic without oxygen systems. And now we come to the last 400 meters for Punit Yadav. 318. The last 300 meters for him. The title of the long distance runner, the 10,000 meters, surely is in his pocket. One doesn't see many of these actions happening. And while he will breast the tape in approximately a minute or short of the minute, 29 minutes 44.64 is record. I'm sure it will still stand. But Punit Yadav, for him it doesn't really matter. He will hold on to his record. Oh, that's a bad fall. Come on. That's a bad fall. Lucky for him. And there he comes in now. There he comes in to win the 10,000 meters. Oh, what an athlete he's turned out to be. We will have a chat with Punit Yadav in a short while, because he's been there for 30 minutes plus. We'll give you the official timing, but Punit Yadav certainly has done an amazing job as the others go through the motion of the 10,000 meters. Was it Ankit Deswal who finished number 2? And then after that, was it 769 Shubham Balyan? The women, of course, are getting ready for their 10,000 meters, but that will be only after the men finish their 10,000 meters. Surely, Punit Yadav has dominated the 10,000 meters for the men here, the under 23 at the 4th Open under 23 Athletic Championships at the Patliputra Sports Complex in Patna. The others now finishing their 10,000 meters, and we will have the women setting out for their 10,000 meters after the men finish. Yes, you can enjoy the finish here even if you're not finished in 1, 2, 3. It's not over. It's still not over for some of them. The beauty of any event in athletics, track and field, is to complete your event. The 5,000, the 10,000 meters in particular are events which test you. It tests a lot of things. Your endurance, your patience, your strategy. All your training comes into place. And we're now looking at the last of the 25 runners coming into your picture frame to finish the 10,000 meters. We still have some time for the women to start their 10,000 meters.